The Office Part 1. Hello? Hello? Is everybody there? Hello? Why am I alone here? Is the office abandoned? But it doesn't look abandoned anymore. It does look beautiful, but the walls are darker. Let me check the walls. See, I can see all the dark. It's black, brown, and black again. I'm so smart. Let me walk through the stairs. Why can't I walk through the stairs? Oh, sorry. Good. Okay. There we go. My mom said I need to work, so that's why I am going to be sitting on this chair. Why can't I see it? There we go. So what is this thing? Oh, that is a tablet too. That is why can't I sit normally? Oh, that is a great tablet. Look at it, guys. There we go. Okay, let me use the tablet. There we go. Now my work is now done. Hi, Mom. Hi, son. Do you finish your homework? Do you finish your homework? I mean homework. Yes, Mom, I finished my homework. Good. Now you can have chicken and spaghetti and rice and gravy and burger and whatever that is. Whatever. That's it. Yay, Mom! Just kidding. Eat some vegetables. Ah!